Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quite special unboxing. It's if you can see here, it's the crushed Toyota Supra. You know, pop the hood Toyota Supra, the one Brian, after he's losing the race, is bringing it to Dominic garage. So have a look and enjoy the video. By the way, it's custom made from somebody in Canada. I just found it online and bought it. So enjoy the video. So let's see. Look at that. So like I said, see if I can focus the camera better. Yes, look at the details. Oh, I like it. The engine is there. The bent bonnet. Still got open doors, I presume, yes. So if you check the movie, yeah, it's almost the same like in the movie. The ripped door as well. Let's see this part. Oh, I like it. So I think, yes. Obviously it's the normal Toyota Supra, the orange one, but it's just custom made. So this is it, guys. Have a look again. Like I said, I found it on eBay by mistake. It was somebody from Canada who was selling them. I think he's got a few more. So not really expensive, to be honest, but the postage and the taxes are killing you. It's more than you pay for the postage and the taxes, more than you pay for the car. So altogether it was about 100 something pound, 120 with the postage and with the taxes. I can't wait to add it to my collection. So this is it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.